Hi everyone, yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I share with you how to make a very delicious fried rice. So let's get started, guys. First of all, I steamed my chicken with onions, enough powdered curry because it's going to give the rice a good color and also make a good stock. I also added thyme and 2 cubes of seasoning cube and salt to taste. So after I added everything, I covered the pot and allowed it to cook for 5 minutes. After it has simmered for 5 minutes, I added the cooking water, stirred it properly and covered it to cook well. After 5 minutes, the meat is well cooked. I turned off the cooker and removed the chicken and set it aside. Now I want to parboil my rice. I'll just go in with my washed rice into a pot of water, then add a spoonful of powdered curry and mix it properly. Then cover it and cook for 5 minutes. I also oven dried the chicken while the rice was cooking. 5 minutes later, as you can see, the rice have already changed color. We have achieved the fried rice color. So I will just wash the rice and transfer all the rice into the pot of my chicken stock. After introducing all the rice in my pot of chicken stock, I added some seasoning cubes, some curry powder, some thyme, and just a pinch of chili black pepper and gave it a good mix. I also added some onions and little water to cook the rice. Then I mix it properly well and let it cook until the water dries up. But before I let it cook, I did all the necessary checks and adjustments. I added some salt, stirred it properly and let it cook until the water dried up. So while the rice was cooking, I quickly prepared the liver and set it to cook. So finally our rice is ready. So you can see it's not sticking together. Everything is just separate, and yeah, we achieved a very good rice for this our delicious fried rice. Now the liver is ready and diced. I'll be frying it with little oil and just salt to taste. After frying the liver, I proceeded to cooking the fried rice. So here I preheated my cooking pot and went in with a little oil to fry the diced vegetables. So I added some onions, stir it for a minute. After that, I added my diced green beans and stir it a little. Then I went in with the green, red and yellow bell pepper and mixed everything properly well. After I've fried and stirred it for just 2 minutes, I finally went in with the carrots. So at this point in time, I allowed it to fry longer. I gave it a longer time just to allow the carrot to cook properly. You don't want a hard carrot. Yes. So finally, I went in with my already fried liver and also gave it a good mix. Added some curry, seasoning cube, just 1 cube is enough. And finally, I went in at last with the kidney beans and gave it a good mix. Our fried rice is looking delicious already. So I allowed it to cook for some time. So while stirring it, I allow it to also cook. So at last, I begin to introduce the fried rice into the pot of my vegetables. Gradually, as you add, you stir. So I added some quantity and mixed everything well. So guys, you see, you don't need to rob a bank before you prepare your fried rice. Don't need to get all the ingredients. So stop procrastinating and go into that kitchen to prepare your delicious fried rice. You can cook your fried rice delicious even without all the ingredients in the world, and it still come out nice. So guys, at this point your fried rice is ready. You have nothing to worry about. Just mix everything properly and your rice is ready. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.